In the heart of the green, giggling jungle, a strange sound echoed one sunny morning. Snoring. And not just any snoring, loud lion snores. All the animals gathered near the great banyan tree for their weekly jungle council. But King Leo the lion, who was supposed to lead the meeting, was still asleep.
Should we wake him?
Whispered Mina the monkey, swinging from a branch. Huffed Ellie the elephant.
But he rolled over and said, 5 more minutes.
We can't wait forever.
Said Toto the tortoise slowly.
Let's begin without him.
So the animals began talking.
I think we need more bananas near the river.
I vote for longer nap hours.
Yawned Raja the red panda.
Could we paint the trees in rainbow colors?
Chirped Pip the parrot.
Green gets boring.
Everyone laughed. Just then, a mighty yawn roar shook the treetops. Leo had finally woken up.
What did I miss?
He asked, blinking. Said Ellie, giggling. But don't worry, we voted for more bananas, longer naps, and rainbow trees. Leo smiled sleepily.
Sounds like a colorful, comfy jungle to me.
And from that day on, Tuesdays became banana and nap day, and the trees got splashed with parrot-approved colors. The jungle had never been brighter or sleepier. The end.